Morning, guys. Welcome back again. I was sick. I apologize. I was dealing with a lot with a viral infection and COVID, but hopefully this week we can get some content in. I do want to thank you guys for joining me. Today I'm washing Victoria.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, Henny, it don't matter, shots till I drop. Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss.
What is up, guys? Welcome back. Damco 1970, that's me. I went ahead and picked up this little small 2.5 liter Craftsman shop vac. Basically cost me $39.98. Again, it's a wet dry shop vacuum. We really need one for this vehicle. It gets very dirty. We park it under a pine tree and we get piney birds all the time. You can see how it works. I got it for the new car. Love my new car. Love my new car. It's small. There's an input and there is the output. Let's give it a try and see how it works. I'll go ahead and tell you how it works. Phenomenal. I mean, it's just for my car. Phenomenal. Let's try the other side. Pretty dirty on this side. Okay, for the small investment that I paid for this Craftsman 2.5, what is it, 10 liter wet dry vac, you can't go wrong. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and go through my car here. I got a lot of like pine needles all throughout the car, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pick it all up. Of course I'm gonna finish vacuuming, and then I'll go ahead and give you the truth of what I think. Talk to you in a little bit. This little Craftsman 2.5 wet vac really kicks butt. I mean, again, you got to keep in mind that this is a small car, it's a small unit, input, there's an output. If it had wheels, it'd be nice, but we don't need wheels. It's again, it's too small. It's a carry around unit. For the small amount that I paid for this wet vac, it works out for me. I'm gonna enjoy this. It's gonna keep my car clean, keep my shed clean, keep my desk clean. So if you guys are interested in getting a Craftsman 2.5 wet dry vac for under $60, is really gonna help me in my life and keeping this car clean. So again, Lowe's was the place that I purchased this at. I hope you guys go out and maybe get yourself one. Lowe's isn't a sponsor, Craftsman is not a sponsor. Hashtag Craftsman wet dry vac 2.5. Hashtag Lowe's. Talk to you guys soon. I realized that my new car, or I should say not so new car that I purchased from Toyota Hamer, they didn't clean the rugs. Nothing little Dawn can't fix. Here we go.